Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to talk about describing an object. How do you describe things? So when you find something like a phone, table or a house or whatever, so how do you describe it? Let's see, there is a structured approach. There are 5 things you're supposed to remember. So let's see. First one, name the object. So whenever you want to describe something, first thing is name the object. Okay. So what do you do here? Identifying start by identifying the object. For example, this is a mug, right? This is a coffee mug. So what are you doing here? So you are talking about name of the object. Let's see the second step. Second step is once you describe about the name, then so talk about physical description. So when you describe physical thing structure, so let's see 5 things you're supposed to remember. First thing, size, shape, color, structure and material. These 5 things you need to keep in your mind. Describe the appearance of the object by focusing on size. First one, so try to understand whether it's a small, medium or large. For example, it is medium sized, about 10 centimeters tall. And the second thing is, what shape does it have? Shape. First thing, talk about size. Second thing, talk about shape. What shape does it have? For example, it is cylindrical, it is oval, right? So talk about shape, rectangle, square, etc. And then color. What is its color or pattern? Right? It's a dark blue with white polka dots. Right? Color. Then structure, how does it feel to touch? When you touch it, how do you feel? The surface is smooth and glossy. Material. Then talk about material. What is it made of? It is made of ceramic, it is made of silver, it is made of gold, etc. Okay, so first step is name and the second step is physical description. And the third thing you are supposed to remember, what is the purpose of or function of the object? Explain what the object is used for. For example, this mug is used for drinking hot beverages like coffee or tea. So this object is used for making calls, receiving calls and browsing internet, etc. So talk about the function or the purpose of the object. And the fourth thing is special features. If there are any special features, highlight any unique or interesting aspects of that. For example, it has a sturdy handle and a slogan written on it, coffee first, work later. And finally, personal connection or context. It's optional, but if you want to talk about it, you can talk about it. Add a personal touch or explain its significance. How is it important to you? For example, this mug is my favorite because it was a gift from a friend, right? So 5 things we looked at it. So first one, name of the object. Second one, physical description. Third one, purpose or function. And fourth one, special features. Fifth one is personal connection or context. And let's look at example. For example, so I want to describe about a coffee mug, right? Coffee mug. What is this? This is a coffee mug. So name. Okay, this is a name and it is medium sized and cylindrical, about 10 centimeters. So this is a size. So size, first I told you about name. This is a coffee mug, and the second aspect is it is medium sized and cylindrical, about 10 centimeters. size and shape. The mug is dark blue with white polka dots and has a smooth, glossy surface. Now I included the color, the structure, etc. It is made of ceramic material. Okay, so it is made of ceramic and has a sturdy handle that makes it easy to hold, a special feature. And the slogan "coffee first, work later" is written on one side in bold letters. And finally, I use it every morning for my coffee personal touch, and it's my favorite because it was a gift from my best friend. So in this short paragraph, describing a coffee mug included all the five aspects that we discussed. Let's look at other uh, things. Tips for success. How can you describe successfully? First thing, observe the object closely. Look at all aspects like color, structure, details. Right? Don't leave anything. Be specific. Use precise words like a shiny instead of nice. Okay, so use precise details. Next, use comparisons. Relate the object to something familiar to better understand the size of a baseball. Okay, size of something. So speak clear. If describing aloud, organize your points logically. These four things you remember. So pause the video and look at this task desktop computer, and then and another example is there, Oppo F15. For example, you're asked to describe a phone. How do you describe? So pause this also, pause video and go through it and try to understand. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.